Benefits of avocado: 11 more reasons to love the fruit. Boasting of some 20 minerals and vitamins, avocados are one of the most nutritious fruits known to mankind. In fact, its high nutritive profile has also earned the fruit the title of the olive oil of the Americas. Here are some more benefits of avocados you may not have known. It is creamy, it is rich, and it is earthy. Avocados are our favorite picks when it comes to dips, desserts, and salads. Also called the makkhan fowl in India, avocados have a high fat content and is yet considered as one of the healthiest fruits you can add to your diet. Yes, you heard us, this fatty fruit can in fact even aid weight loss. This is because avocados are loaded with good monounstaurated oils, MUFA, that do not pile up calories. Instead, they help lubricate joints and lower blood pressure. Boasting of some 20 minerals and vitamins, avocados are one of the most nutritious fruits known to mankind. In fact, its high nutritive profile has also earned the fruit the title of the olive oil of the Americas. Here are some more benefits of avocados you may not have known. Avocado Health Benefits. 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. Avocados are rich in anti-inflammatory properties, which help relieve arthritis pain. It is also a source of omega-3 fatty acids, which help lubricate joints and further relieve joint pains. According to the book Healing Foods by DK Publishing, the fats of this fruit are unique. They include phytosterols, plant hormones such as campesterol, beta-sitosterol, and stigmasterol, that help keep inflammation under control. It also contains polyhydroxylated fatty acids, PFAs, which are anti-inflammatory. 2. Regulates blood pressure. Avocados may do wonders in keeping your blood pressure levels in check too. Avocados are a good source of potassium and are low in sodium, which helps keep your blood pressure stable. A stable blood pressure helps stave off the risk of heart attack or stroke. 3. Good for heart. In addition to being a healthy bet for blood pressure patients, avocados are also a rich source of antioxidants and monounsaturated fats, which help keep the heart healthy and reduce the risk of stroke. Eating avocado can also regulate LDL and HDL cholesterol levels, as well as blood triglycerides. 4. Boosts fertility. According to the book Healing Foods, avocados help in boosting fertility and better the chances at conceiving too. It is also linked to increasing the success of IVF treatment. 5. Good for eyes. Including avocados in your diet may help improve eyesight. Avocados are loaded with beta-carotene and antioxidants, which are beneficial for eyes. They also contain lutein and zeaxanthin. Both of these nutrients help maintain good eyesight, night vision, and minimize damage from ultraviolet light. The high amount of vitamin A also helps reduce the risk of macular degeneration that develops with old age. The monounsaturated fatty acids in avocados help in better absorption of beneficial fat-soluble antioxidants, such as beta-carotene too. 6. Good source of folate. Avocados are a good source of folate. Pregnant women must include avocados in their diet as folate helps healthy fetal development. Several studies have also claimed that folate decreases the risk of depression. Folate prevents the buildup of homocysteine. This substance tends to hamper circulation and the delivery path of nutrients to brain. 7. Improved digestion. Having problems with digestion? Try creamy and fleshy avocados. Avocados are loaded with fibers that may help prevent constipation, boost digestion, and colon health. Fiber adds bulk to the stool, which facilitates bowel regularity, thereby enhancing digestion. 8. Powerhouse of nutrients. Avocado is a powerhouse of many essential nutrients and minerals. It is rich in vitamin K, B5, B6, B3, E, and C. They are also dense in potassium, folate, magnesium, manganese. 9. Avocado benefits for weight loss. The high fiber content present in avocado could help make you shed a pound or two as well. 100 grams of avocado has 7 grams of fiber. Fiber takes the longest to digest. It induces the feeling of fullness, which prevents you from binging later. Avocados are very low on carbs too, which also promotes weight loss. 10. Helps absorb nutrients. Avocados ensure better consumption of nutrients from plant source foods. There are several nutrients which are fat-soluble. This means that they need to combine with fats for them to be utilized by the body. Vitamin A, D, E and K are some plant nutrients that are better absorbed with avocado. 11. Keep the skin healthy. Avocados are rich in vitamin C, amounting to 17% recommended daily intake, and vitamin E, amounting to 17% recommended daily intake, both of which are essential in keeping the skin healthy and glowing. Think avocado, and the first thing that comes to our minds is the Mexican dip guacamole. The delicious dip made of mashed avocado and herbs is one of the healthier swaps to the greasy barbecue dips. There are a number of other ways in which you can use the versatile fruit. Throw them up in salads or whip them up in delicious lassi. You can also purchase avocado oils and put them to use instead of the fattening refined oil. Avocado oil is pressed from the flesh of avocado and is renowned for its ability to protect heart and fight free radical damage. So what are you waiting for? Here are 11 more reasons to make the creamy food a part of your daily diet today.